How to make a sugar-free birthday cake. You will need artificial sweetener, coconut flour, almond flour, xanthan gum, unsweetened almond milk, free-range eggs, baking powder, pink Himalayan salt, unsalted butter, apple cider vinegar, vanilla extract, and sugar-free sprinkles. Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, mix together the Step 1. In a large mixing bowl, mix together the following ingredients. 4 cups of coconut flour, 2 cups of almond flour, 1/3 cup of artificial sweetener, 6 eggs, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/3 cup of baking powder, 1/3 cup of xanthan gum, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt, 1/3 cup of unsalted butter, 5 cups of unsweetened almond milk. Mix thoroughly. Add more almond milk. Mix thoroughly. Add more almond milk. Mix thoroughly. Add more almond milk. Mix thoroughly. Add egg. Mix thoroughly. Add egg. Mix thoroughly. Clean your right foot. Clean your left foot. Mix thoroughly. Add egg. Mix thoroughly. Add white sugar, brown sugar, dark brown sugar, sugar cubes, sugar, white sugar, brown sugar, sugar, brown, white sugar, white sugar, white raw sugar, dark brown white sugar cubes. Mix thoroughly. Add sugar-free sprinkles. Scoop up the sugar-free birthday cake mixture and place it into a cake tin. Compact it. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Cover the sugar-free birthday cake in icing. Decorate with sprinkles. Serve and enjoy.